Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and device so transfers work. Install the latest iTunes or Apple Music for Windows and iCloud for Windows. Once done, update Windows to ensure drivers match. Use an Apple-certified Lightning or USB-C cable, plug the device in, unlock the screen, and tap Trust this computer when prompted. Make sure File Explorer and Photos can access the device so you can import media right away. This reduces permission errors and speeds up the next steps. Once connected, decide whether you want cloud or local control and configure iCloud for Windows to sync photos, iCloud Drive, Mail, Contacts, and Calendars so things mirror automatically. If you prefer local control, open iTunes to create a full backup, sync music and playlists, and manage app settings. For photos, import directly through the Windows Photos app or File Explorer. Choose to keep originals or download optimized variants. These steps let you control storage and ensure recoverable backups. Finish by verifying that music, photos, contacts, and backups are present. Then eject the device from iTunes or File Explorer before unplugging to avoid corruption. If the PC doesn't recognize the device, restart the Apple Mobile Device Service. Try a different USB port, or reinstall iTunes and iCloud for Windows to refresh drivers. Make sure to check Device Manager for driver conflicts and swap the cable if needed. Quick cable replacement often fixes connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.